Did you hide some apps on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro device but you can't find them anywhere? I'm going to show you how you can find those hidden apps, and we'll learn how to add them to our home screen once again if you want to unhide them in just a couple of simple steps. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, then please make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. Now, in order to find those apps, I'll first hide a couple of apps on my iPhone because I don't have any in my hidden folder. So I'll hide the Instagram app as well as the TikTok app just as an example. So the apps are hidden, and how can I find them? That's pretty easy. All we have to do is to swipe from the right side of your phone to the left a couple of times until you see the app library section on your phone. That's the section where all of your apps are grouped in folders, and once you get here, scroll a bit down all the way to the bottom until you can see this folder which looks like it's empty, and it's called Hidden. This is the folder where all of our hidden applications will be, and if I want to open this folder, I just have to tap on it once. Then the phone will scan my face with Face ID in order to confirm my identity. Here are my applications, and I can now open them and use them. But what if you're done with hiding these apps and you want to put them back on your home screen? That's pretty easy too. Long press on an application which you want to unhide, then add to home screen. The iPhone will then ask us if we want to unhide this application, so just tap on Unhide, and that's it. The app will now appear on our home screen and it will be unhidden. But keep in mind one thing. When you unhide an application, then anyone can see the app, but they can also open it without Face ID because the app will not be locked. So you can require the Face ID for that app if you need it locked and protected with Face ID. But yeah, that's about it for this video. See you in the next one.